21 calcium-rich foods. Calcium is essential for strong bones, heart health, and muscle function. While dairy is a great source, many other foods can help you meet your daily needs. Here are 21 of the best calcium-rich foods. 1. Seeds. Tiny but powerful. Poppy, sesame, and chia seeds are packed with calcium, protein, and healthy fats. Just 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds gives you 10% of your daily needs. 2. Cheese. Parmesan is a calcium king. 1 ounce delivers 19% of your daily intake. Plus, hard cheeses are easier to digest for those with lactose intolerance. 3. Yogurt. A calcium and probiotic powerhouse. 1 cup provides up to 34% of your daily needs while supporting gut health. 4. Sardines and salmon. Their edible bones make them calcium-rich. A can of sardines gives you 27% of your daily intake. 5. Beans and lentils. Winged beans lead with 19% of your daily calcium per cup, while white beans offer 12%. Bonus, they're also rich in fiber and protein. 6. Almonds. A handful, about 23 almonds, provide 6% of your daily calcium, along with heart-healthy fats and fiber. 7. Whey protein. More than just a muscle booster. A single scoop delivers 12% of your daily calcium. 8. Leafy greens. Collard greens pack 21% of your daily calcium per cup, making them one of the best plant-based sources. 9. Rhubarb. High in fiber, vitamin K, and calcium. 1 cup gives you 8% of your daily intake. 10. Fortified foods. Many cereals, tortillas, and breads are fortified with calcium, providing up to 100% of your daily needs. Check the labels. 11. Amaranth. This ancient grain is rich in calcium, protein, and essential nutrients. 12. Tofu. One of the best plant-based sources. When made with calcium sulfate, half a cup delivers up to 86% of your daily intake. 13. Figs. 5 dried figs provide 5% of your daily calcium, plus fiber and antioxidants. 14. Milk. A classic and effective source. 1 cup gives you about 24% of your daily needs. 15. Edamame and soy products. 1 cup of edamame supplies 10% of your daily calcium, plus plant-based protein. 16. Okra. This underrated veggie provides around 8% of your daily calcium per cup, plus fiber and antioxidants. 17. Oranges and orange juice. A fresh orange contains about 6% of your daily calcium, while fortified orange juice can provide up to 35%. 18. Blackstrap molasses. A tablespoon delivers surprising 17% of your daily calcium, plus iron and magnesium. 19. Sesame tahini. 1 tablespoon of the sesame paste packs 6% of your daily calcium, making it a delicious spread or dressing ingredient. 20. Broccoli. Not just for fiber. 1 cup of cooked broccoli provides 6% of your daily calcium intake. 21. Turnip greens. A lesser-known leafy green that's loaded with calcium. 1 cup of cooked turnip greens provides about 20% of your daily needs. Want more delicious ways to fuel your body? Grab your free Keto Snacks cookbook. Plus, discover other little-known but powerful nutrient sources that might surprise you. Don't miss out. Check the link now.